When it comes to meme coins, profitability is what everybody cares about. Guys, when it comes to investing, that's what everybody cares about. Everybody wants to make money. They're not necessarily interested in, well, this technology is good, maybe it's going to better the world, and so on. Investing is a return on investment. And Dogecoin is currently the most profitable meme coin. So what about Shiba Inu Coin? We're going to be diving into Shiba Inu Coin. It talks about Pepe in this article as well. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be talking about profitability of meme coins in this video. Now, you know that Dogecoin is currently the most profitable, so let's talk about Shiba Inu Coin, and let's get a little attention on Pepe as well. Now, the too long didn't read version, we're going to go over this article, we're going to read some of it, but Doge and Pepe are among the meme coins whose holders are predominantly in the green. SHIB is in the opposite corner with 50% of its investors sitting on some paper losses right now. Now, Doge leads the pack. The meme coin sector witnessed a huge resurgence earlier this year, with its market capitalization surpassing $60 billion. Now, despite retracing to the current $40 billion mark, the niche is still full of tokens that have brought numerous traders some profits, at least on paper. Into the block data shows that Dogecoin, the biggest meme coin, ranking first, over 72% of its holders are currently in the green, while 25% are underwater. Doge is among the cryptocurrencies that are predominantly held for the long term. The latest figure shows that 67% have hopped on the bandwagon over a year ago, with only 2% jumping in Dogecoin in the last month. Now, that's very important, guys. If you're looking at the last month overall in the cryptocurrency space, it's obvious that there's not a ton of action. The fear to greed index, or the fear and greed index, is showing fear basically over the entirety of the last month. You don't have many new investors coming into the space, and therefore you don't have many new buys or many new holders jumping into meme coins like Dogecoin. So only the fact that only 2% of all of the Dogecoin holdings occurred in the last month shows you that very, very few new investors or very few new retail investors are jumping into the space right now. It says next in line is another dog-themed asset, Floki. Approximately 70% of its investors are sitting on paper profits, whereas 27% are recording some losses. Third place is Mog Coin. This is interesting. Mog is relatively new, with 62% or 61% of the holders currently in the money. It has been among the best performing cat-related meme coins, climbing the ladder over the past few months. Currently, Mog's market cap is over $500 million, making it the 125th biggest crypto token in the entire industry. Now, Pepe ranks fourth with around 56% of its holders witnessing an increase from their initial investment. This frog-themed token has been one of the sensations of this bull market cycle, hitting new all-time highs in price since late May. Since then, though, Pepe has retraced by roughly 50%, which means that it could double just to get back up to its all-time highs. What about SHIB? The second largest meme coin experienced a significant price increase in March this year, making over 63% of its holders profitable. However, the subsequent decline in the following months has changed that situation. Currently, 46% of Shiba Inu Coin investors are in the green, while more than 50% are underwater. Other meme coins whose holders are predominantly in the red include Bone, Kokinu, Dogelon Mars, and Trump. It says the DT-themed token is down over 80% from its peak, registered in June, with nearly 87% of its investors sitting on some paper losses. Guys, the meme coin space is extremely volatile. The meme coin space is filled with its ups and downs. Here's what we know about the meme coin space, though. If you want to experience the life-changing gains, you've got a decision to make. You can buy and hold a technology or a blockchain that you believe in, something like a Bitcoin or a Caspa or any of these other layer 1, layer 2 blockchains that come out and promise to change the world. You can hold them for a decade, and you can hope for the best and see them continue to steadily rise in value. But retail investors love meme coins because you can go to bed one day after 6 months of losses, and you can wake up the next day sitting on a 3, 4, 5x increase in price. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin proved to the world that it is here and it is here to stay. These other meme coins, they're not getting the attention that they deserve right now, and it is because retail investors are running scared. You can see the fear to greed index. These numbers are not just made up numbers. They coincide with the overall market sentiment. And right now, sentiment in the market is very, very fearful. You can see last week was extreme fear. Yesterday was a 31 fear. Now is 30 fear. Retail investors are afraid. Whales are not afraid. Institutions are not afraid. You see, the thing is, people get scared when they don't feel like they have enough money, right? And whales seem to have unlimited money. Whales can buy the dip and buy the dip and buy the dip and keep on buying no matter what happens. Institutions, they have unlimited time. It doesn't matter if assets are down in value for 30 years. An institution lives forever. It is not bound by time. So whales, not bound by money, and institutions, not bound by time, they have an advantage over the retail investor, who is of course bound by money and by time. And that is why retail investors often succumb to their emotions, and they often sell when prices are low, and of course get excited and buy when prices are high. Whale investors and institutional investors do the opposite. They ignore that emotion. And you guys can go through and read the statistics right now. Whales are accumulating. Whales are buying Shiba Inu Coin. Large transaction volume is up 240% over the last 24 hours. A strong indicator that whales are accumulating. And if you go out and you look at the institutions, the venture capitalists out there, you can see that during the second quarter of 2024, venture capitalists increased their positions in cryptocurrency by $2.7 billion. That's more than they purchased in the first quarter of 2024. Whales are buying, institutional investors are buying, yet retail investors are for some reason afraid. And it's because they feel like they don't have the time. They can't wait a year, 2 years, 3 years. They need their money and they need their money now. It's because they can't continue to buy the dip. Maybe they go in, they lose a couple $100, and then all of a sudden they're fed up with it and they need to get out. They don't want to continue investing, and they don't want to be here for the explosive rally. But that explosive rally will return. And when it does, it's simply one of two things is going to happen. You're going to be here, you're going to be invested, you're going to have bought in and held, and you're going to witness those price increases. Or you're going to fall victim to the fear, you're going to fall victim to the emotion, and you're going to give up before the rest of the retail market returns. And if that's you, I feel bad. But if you're the one that holds, I will absolutely celebrate the victory with you. I want to know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.